It's day 7 of our trip, day 6 of our internship. We don't really know how fast these 7 days went, and we are halfway the halfway the internship. So we just have how many more days? Today, 5 more days, including today,
Five.
for our internship to get over. Today we are going to assemble the roll cage onto the cars, and that's it. I know only that much. I don't know what else we are going to do. We'll go and find out.
And 10 rupees a difference.
There was a theory session just now. What did they teach us about?
Everything. Almost they covered everything.
Yeah, they covered a lot of car parts. They taught us a lot, and they gave us some data sheets to fill in, and they gave us a car part to see what our knowledge is about the
I
car
had a good
parts.
sleep in the morning.
Yeah, Rutvik slept in the morning session. Many people sleep in the morning session. I don't know why. I know why. They don't have sleeps. But we have sleeps. I don't know how Rutvik sleeps. So we came here to the canteen to eat our lunch. We took biryani and wraps. There will be a practical session after lunch, and we'll be welding the roll cage and assembling it in the car.
So we are done with our internship today. We had a theory class in the morning session, and afternoon session it was mostly we were trying to remove the anti-roll bar, but because of the tools and equipments we are unable to remove it, and so we'll do it, complete it tomorrow. And the other team were doing roll cages, and they almost welded everything, and they're trying to fix it in the car. We thought of doing the roll cage, but there was only one welding piece, and what do we call that? The other one? Bending machine, right? Yeah, there was only one bending machine, so there was a lot of queue, so we didn't do it. Most probably we'll be joining the other team tomorrow.
Yeah, and now we'll be going to MG Road
Yeah.
and eat the burgers for our dinner.
So we are going to MG Road right now.
So we arrived early at MG Road, so we came near UB City Mall to spot some supercars. Hopefully we find supercars this time, because last time we didn't find them, and I get good videos of them. Let's see. So it's dinner time and we are back at Smalley's to eat our beef burgers. We are waiting for them. We ordered milkshakes too this time. I don't know how they'll taste. Probably they'll taste good. So Rutvik, it's your first time here. What do you say?
Hey, because me, I will say something.
Yeah.
He's a Java, right? Bro, Java, bro.
Our milkshakes have come and they are not bad. They are good. But the thing is, they said it was dairy milk milkshake and it doesn't taste exactly like dairy milk, but still it's pretty good. Our burgers also came and I was very excited to eat the burger, so I ate half of the burger, then realized I had to vlog it. So how's it? He's very shy in front of camera.
It's good.
How's it, bro? It's around 8:30ish. We finished our dinner and we are going to our room super early today because I have to edit and I want to sleep early to get more sleep today. Hopefully we wake up early tomorrow and not be late for our internship. What else do I say? Nothing much. Our day was great. We had some good burgers. We thought we were not full, but now I'm feeling a bit full. What about you?
I'm full, even me. I
Yeah.
thought of eating pani puri, but I'm full.
Same. But I'm feeling full now because of the milkshake probably.